Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can connect to an Azure VM using Bastion. So first, go to your VM which you want to connect to. Here on the left navigation panel, you will see connect. Click on connect and you'll see two options here, connect or Bastion. Just click on Bastion. Here you will get to choose your authentication type. You can choose VM password, or you can choose password from Azure Key Vault, SSH private key from local file, and so on. So if you have a username and password, just enter your username and password here and click on connect. I have a private key from local file, so I'll choose that, enter my username, choose the file, and just click on connect. There are also some advanced options here, SSH passphrase, and so there are also some advanced stuff here like SSH passphrase if you need that, but I don't need this. Okay, and now from here you can just click on connect and a new tab will open here. In my case, this pop-up was blocked, so what I'll do is I'll just click here and just say always allow pop-ups from portal.azure.com and click on done. Let's click on connect again. And this time the new tab successfully opens and we are connected. So now you are inside your VM. Here you can do anything that you want. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.